Right?
Can we still not go? Don't forget your sock.
Yeah. I was just trying to get all my cameras turned on. There we go.
Can we get pushed back?
I think so.
Hey, they're all over here.
Yeah?
By the bushes.
There.
Yeah, over here. You guys gotta go up there and push.
Are they right down in here?
It looks like they pushed us back, so we're even farther back than we were when we left. Watch your left side, guys. Looks like we're all hunkered down right here. It seems like they're like forest inclines.
Right?
Yeah.
Can you even go way over there? I can't see them at all.
I can't either. I got the net box. The push back so far. They're all along the parking lot fence. I want to say they're about 30-40 feet to your left on the page.
All right, hit.
I'm walking back. Are they still there?
Oh yeah.
Just keep pushing, guys. We're too close to stop. Sit right there. Oh.
So I can't get through there.
Where is it? I got my ammo! Cover me! Is those...
Yeah. Yeah, there was one on my back, like right around here. Thank you.
Got him. Got one of them. I don't know how many more are there. There's a lot. There's a lot on this left side.
Yeah.
Got one.
Neither do I. I'm gonna try moving up a little bit. Oh, oh.
That left side needs help bad.
Yeah. Yep. Ooh, right in the neck. Oh. Getting shit on in the woods. getting shit on in the woods. Careful walking up here.
Trying to get them to look at me on the road so you guys can look out on the outside. I'm just going to walk it.
Left side, yep.
Are you?
I see him. I see him.
I see you. I see
We'll
you.
hold here for you.
They've got a bunch of people on the left side over there. It's just we cannot get past there.
Huh.
We can't even get up to those houses. They're like stopping us right there, pretty much.
Got a shield guy going up.
He went up there and he came right back. They took him out real fast.
Yeah, and they're going up this main road like it's doing anything. We need to push down here.
I mean, we could try maybe, but I don't know where they're at over here. You know, if they're all the way up here, they gotta be sitting over here too.
How's our barn looking? Do we own the barn at all?
No.
Let's try and get in it.
Try and get in the barn?
Fuck it.
We could do
Yeah.
that.
All in the trees over there.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to take the barn and push up the middle. Because they're not taking any fire walking that way, so
Right?
we can get in there.
Yeah, we gotta have barn.
Player walking out! Player walking out!
Red? Okay. Is he red? Are you red?
Yeah, he's red.
You got no kind of markings on you, man. You gotta have it on your mask and everything. You got nothing on your arms.
If you go by where the air is, they got rolls of tape by where the bomb is.
Okay, okay.
Yes. No IDs.
Right? Alright, that's one of our guys right there, right? You got red on him?
I don't see him. Oh, I see him. Yeah, that's red.
Yeah, yeah.
I think that guy's red over there too.
So we can probably move outside.
Shit. We're out in the open now, boys.
Hell yeah.
Right? Run into the thick of it.
Tango's up top, moving.
Copy.
Roger. By the car.
Oh, they're up that main
Multiples.
road. Oh, they got
Tank.
a tank.
That might be friendly. Might be.
Is that our tank?
I think so. I have no indicator otherwise. Range.
Can we get into those buildings from here?
I don't see anyone.
Super sneaky.
That might be enemy.
Zombie tank.
I assume they'll be over there?
Oh shit! Yep.
Okay.
Helicopter. No, not helicopter. Past it. Left. Ackerman, Ackerman, Ackerman! Oh yeah. Middle!
He went left, he went left.
Oh, am I hit?
No.
Coming from our side.
Anywhere? I don't see anything on you.
I swear I got splattered. Oh no, yep, on the gun, on the gun. Ooh.
I just ran over those weeds over there.
Ed! Ed!
Whoa. Oh shit. Changing. Behind the heli towards the tail of it.
Okay. I got this, all these twigs right here. There's a guy behind this right here.
I can't get a shot or else I'm shot.
Behind the heli, we got little go.
Hit my head.
Shit, shit,
Hit!
shit.
Hit!
Holy shit. We are in a bad spot.
I know. This is a bad idea. Why did you follow me?
They're in the building next to the helicopter. Damn. Yep, little flip.
Got him.
Nice.
Good
got
deal.
one.
I was worried about
Oh,
that
I
guy
got
coming
one,
up
I got
on us
one.
too.
Hell yeah. Behind the tree now by the big
I'm reinserting right now.
Oh, I hit him.
Oh, I think I domed that one guy.
Changing. I hit him, he's out. Nice. Changing, oh, taking more fire. Oh, shit.
Got you, bud.
I got hit him. How did that even hit me?
On your right.
Oh, shit.
Oh, did I get them too?
At the heli, multiples.
Yeah,
Copy that.
got you too, buddy.
You know that building directly behind the heli on the left is
I see it, I see it, I see it.
Oh,
From behind.
Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. We're